I know that face. Mena's nervous. Oh, I get it. Mena's shaking out the yuck.
Well, when you feel nervous, CJ, you can move your body to shake off all those yucky, heavy feelings. Arms, legs, whole body. Shake out the yuck.
Whoa, this is kind of fun. And I feel lighter. Mena got rid of the nervous feelings by shaking out the yuck.